Sani pa also bechenoa Boba Kuminu to Ubiamabio.
The real revolution will be fought by men in uniform. They carry the weapons.
Ebusia aka 58 days more to the general election ni akoto aba e de year president. Ase gidi aba krom kakra from galamsey nsem no ama kroma ye hye. Ebusia mo kai abrantie bi na okobubu National Cathedral offense no.
You defend this place.
Osako ka kire eyetimamuni bi say 37 road na o ma block no. Se Ghana for sebi nkwasiafo ebi wu efiri wa na aye be no sa brante no kai na.
What do you want? What are you doing? What are you making? Obi one eye then.
Aha, let's talk GH rumors. And then the first time I want to pin into my video, make sure you subscribe and then mama nafi. Wa click the notification bell on the say the bear. Me uploading new video we answer bit me canal face wa share ama for front so aba be share and then mama. Na sa activist ya ni din Eddie Williams Raphael. Someone ni no. I sa brand here no. Ukaya un say stop galamsey now protest no mo di makotene pa. Enti waka omo ayechi omo ne ho na omukọ court few days ago omukọ court no o kan asem bi ordinity fa window nim kan asem bi o ka asem eye omu protesters ne de they are just messengers but real revolutionists no omu beba in uniform yenti mra
The revolution is coming. Our police fire is part of this struggle and they are fighting it. Just that they are in uniform and they can't talk. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. We are just messengers of this struggle. The real revolution will be fought by men in uniform. They carry the weapons. I repeat this, and you can put this on history. That I am just a messenger. The real revolution will be fought by men in uniform. It is coming.
Aha, se wakai wo ho kakra. Sase mo kan no media mfa ne tra menim se wo so e bi kwa you didn't even pay attention to it because when him say kasa de kasa at ene ye da sorry ye no abrantie bi o se o the Ghana boy o di nchiremu aba ebusia by Ghana TV say ehu behia se ye o my Ghana for idie ye be patronize made in Ghana product said e be ye o my Ghana e betimi afa ne ntoma pa e fra nti wo show screen ni so a so ye Ghana ni na wo ye made in Ghana product nko ade a over my 2 to 3 minutes video of what you produce. Now I send it the amount numbers no. Ye bebo de rama free of charge. Afe so buy Ghana TV streaming live 247 ewo YouTube. Ukopie mu ewo Google Play Store or Hobbit me download it. Now on here I interact. Afe so no ye wo Roku box. I only hear mu bi anso numbers no betimi afre. Sa asem na eye Raphael Williams eye activist no all kano ase. Yintima.
Yeah, guys, if you're a Ghanaian, watch this video, guys. If you're a Ghanaian, watch this video. A revolution is coming. If you are a Ghanaian, start preparing for a revolution in Ghana. Now, to those of you that were sending me a message, Ghana boy, we are disappointed in you. You are disappointed in me because I didn't allow myself to be used as a messenger by a group of people planning a revolution in Ghana. For what reason they are planning the revolution, I don't know. For who is planning the revolution, I don't know. But I told you guys that the demonstration you see out there in the name of we are fighting for galamsey, there is really something behind. Because if we are really to fight galamsey, I put this on repeat. The president of Ghana, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, can never fight galamsey in 7 weeks. He can never. Why? There are kings involved in galamsey. There are chiefs involved in galamsey. There are military personnel involved in galamsey. There are some police personnel involved in galamsey. There are some individuals. Everybody in Ghana, you will get 1 or 2 pastors. Everybody, we have all failed when it comes to the issue of galamsey. So if we are to fight galamsey and we want to respect the peace in the country, we are all to wait. We have 7 weeks to election. After the election, then we all as a country come together, call a state of emergency. Whoever is to win election, then we fight Galamsey. You say, no, we don't have to wait. But I told you guys that the demonstration you see, now listen, no, listen for yourself. The people you see there doing the demonstration, they are just messengers. Oh. They are just messengers. There are people behind that sent these messengers. And the people behind, they are coming for a revolution. Who is coming for the revolution? I don't know. Are just messengers. The real people behind coming with the revolution, they are men in uniform. Are they military men? We don't know. Are they policemen? We don't know. Which men are in uniform planning a revolution? 7 weeks to election. I told you guys the noise on Galamsey. The reason behind the noise is that there is a revolution coming. So if you're a Ghanaian, you heard it for yourself. I'm not the one saying it.
Eno ane akoshaba ne said eye Ghana boy Ostieno no Patrick say there is more to the protest that we've been seeing of late than say you want to run. Patrick saying some eshishe sumase enti yenda ye so as Ghana for na minim ye wadwe chi obia no obetimi eja e wo comment section ho e de amame na yesa da sorry biem a che say oda sorry that one ti asema na yes ade anchu eye first deputy speaker anidin any honorable Joseph Osei Ogusu wakokasa ai Osei se wukọ Galamsey site na wukoto omo ho a e wo se obo mutuo na wukom
no a bus the parking ya some fine no be 15 can parking ya omom tisu nyina ton they dived into the water. So I came to a conclusion, say, Sani pa also betchenwa oboa. The best way to deal with that person, so person I pa not ten. Boba kuminu to obi amebio.
Ya yetim for ya Ghana for near starting boy unto.
Na o man boni bi o anywhere we are able to.
Said the honorable Esiano no honorable Joseph Osei Ogusu was say okoto om so komo but am I a rain fi say those people practicing this Galamsey thing no omo ye nipa. Aside that they are Ghanaians, even if omo ye other people from other countries they are still humans. Enti nim say Galamsey wo hopa che me nu nyina dia dance say this is something that has been there for a very long time. It is say ye kase ye beso ano a ebitiki step by step approach. It is say ye kase ye nkoku obi because of that. Hey, so bia kuma was sure efa Galamsey mo. Another video be so nenam social media ne so. Ebi ana wonhu ye, but a video bi a chese enya somdwe mu. Ukopiem e wo boko ekro bi a yese ho de misiga. Yese eye police any customs any clash ye. Na clash ni nyina gina say police for no eye customs for no suspect say as almost smuggle eye kokoo beans bi ana police for na mo that chance to inspect no ma hwe say ampa ena ya omo ni omo ntawa ma military nyina ba mu ansa na eho ejo yenhwe sa video ni embra. A few weeks na yeto aba sa we yatimi we yakame gidigidi na ekoso o man mu na minim se wusuro se de misuro na eba sa na chese wote ho a na woyam hihyew se yabato yi ebeko sei ni ye be stress say ye Galamsey o say ye den o say no matter the issue no yenhu how why ye be solve na amicably before say ye beto aba no. And then even after the elections no say be oh my Ghana betimi maintaining the peace that we have because say kunsia e ma bre enkwala bre timamufo ye bre ekro say It's yɛnhwɛ sɛ ɔman Ghana yɛbɛ maintain the peace that we have. Aha, let's talk GH rumors. And any first time I mesro say, over subscribe the ama me na fe wa share ama nkofo foforo nso atimi aba aba be share. Any update bi aba me sai e de baba aba aba so mu. Me din e de na na Asantwa. Medam ase.